Are you looking for the best ladder shelves in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ladder shelves that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. RJER Ladder Bookshelf. The RJER bookshelf is made from the sturdy straight metallic frame and engineered wood. The engineered chipboard is so made that it is waterproof as well as corrosion resistant. It features a ladder-like design and is a simplistic yet stylish medium to feature. So, keep books, decorative articles, plants, and so on in an orderly manner. The shelf is a handy setup in any of your rooms including the kitchen and the bathroom. You can also set up a media unit on this shelf without the fear of it collapsing as it is quite a sturdy unit. Having a rustic appeal, this classic shelf will sit perfectly in any corner of your home. Number 4. Rose Home Furniture Foldable Ladder Shelf. The Rose Home Furniture Shelf is a unique aspect that can give your place a hip turn. This is a shelf unit that is entirely crafted from wood and features quite a sturdy surface. It is particularly crafted as a setup wherein you can showcase all your precious potted plants, small and big alike. The shelf features a tapering design from bottom to top and features 4 tiers. As a matter of fact, the largest shelf covers an area of 16 inches x 14 inches while the entire shelf unit stands at 44 inches height. The shelves have varying carrying capacity and you can easily set up a big potted plant in the bottommost shelf. Plus, go for small decorative plants for the top shelf. Number 3. Lavish Home Ladder Shelf. Lavish Home has constructed an engaging ladder shelf out of solid wood construction. Hence, is a perfect fit for any kind of home decor setup. This shelf stands tall at 51.32 inches and each of the shelves covers an area of 12 inches x 16 inches. Next, it is loaded with all the materials that you may require to set it up as it comes unassembled. This is, in fact, lightweight and will certainly help in arranging as well as rearranging your mess beautifully. As a matter of fact, it weighs only 8.1 pounds, so you can relocate it to display your stuff. So, it is even used as a display shelf. Number 2. Convenience Concepts AFrame Bookshelf. Convenience Concepts create attractive and handy home decor units and the AFrame bookshelf is no exception. The AFrame gives quite an aesthetic upliftment to the decor of a place. This bookshelf, however, is more suited to a modern household than a traditional one. The stylish bookshelf comprises of 4 shelves and stands at a height of 59 inches. Furthermore, the shelf will also cover an area of 45.75 inches by 13 inches which is quite spacious to hold a variety of articles. Finally, it is very easy to assemble and all instructions and hardware items are included in the package. Number 1. Bona AUGURE Small Bookshelf. The Bona AUGURE Small Bookshelf is a crafty little bookshelf unit that can be accommodated to your home or your office. This is a small and compact setup that just provides extra space to store your books or maybe an entertainment unit. The basic framework is constructed from durable metal tubes reinforced by an X design. As a result, it only goes on to strengthen the bookshelf unit. Each of the shelves is made from MDF and can support a load of up to 110 pounds. The shelf has 3 tiers and goes up to a height of 13.78 inches such that there is a gap of 13.78 inches between 2 shelves.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.